Yo, what's up guys? Blumadize here. I got you the best PC you will ever see in your entire life. Guys, this PC, I challenge everyone to get a better PC than this. Like, guys, basically I nailed it, okay? I nailed it with this PC. Let's stop talking and let's get to the PC. First of all, it's a $1,000 gaming PC. Guys, $1,000. RTX 3060 Ti. Yes, guys. RTX 3060 Ti. You heard me right. Guys, the 3060 Ti, usually you get it at $800, $900. So just imagine entire PC with $1,000 budget. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Let's go to the next one. Core i3 10100F. Like, the value of the i3 10100F is just insane. Let's go to the next Ares game. 850 watts. Yes guys, 850 watts power supply. You heard me right. With this budget, with this GPU, 850 watt power supply. Okay, let's go to the next one. MSI B560M LGA 1200. I know it's not the best motherboard, however, the CPU is not the best CPU either. So I expect you, when you want to upgrade your CPU, probably the 13th gen Intel or maybe AMD, it will come out probably. So you will upgrade your motherboard anyway. So why would you pay a premium price for LGA 1200 motherboard, right? Makes sense. So honestly, I went with a budget motherboard. It's okay, it's good. It does not have any unnecessarily RGB, nothing. All the value in the actual motherboard. Pretty good motherboard, I really recommend it. 16 gigabyte, 3200 megahertz. You may ask me, how the fuck did you build this PC with $1,000 budget? How the fuck? I know, chill. I don't know. I don't know how I built this PC. Samsung 980, 1 terabyte NVMe storage. 1 terabyte NVMe storage. Again, you will say, how the fuck did you build it? I don't know. It's magic. You may ask, what the fuck is the case? I don't know, guys. I did not choose the case because it depends on your preference. It depends on your budget. So honestly, I left the case for you. Like, the case is not very expensive. Like, you can get a fairly good case for $60. Okay, so honestly, I will leave the case for you. You may even have an existing case. So honestly, I will leave the case for you. I will leave the links below for the PC build. Honestly, guys, I think this PC build worth subscribe. So please subscribe. Like, I always do an incredible PC builds. So make sure to subscribe to not miss anything. This is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you benefit. I really recommend you to get this PC. It's an insane PC, and see you later. Goodbye.